from YouTube. It's Big Bird, because I learned it from the streets. I'm 6 foot, 145. I win, bro.
6'1", 165, OTAKU, fighting out of Baltimore. We'll see what happens.
Streetbeefs, we back, man. Wrapping it up. Long day of fights, man. You know what we do. We hold it down. Round one. Let's work. Uh-oh. Oh, shit.
Hey, go for that calf kick. Calf kick. Hey! Low. Good.
Hey, uh-oh. There you go.
Keep that kick coming.
Oh, shit.
Go a little bit lower. Start mixing it up.
Hand up, man.
There you go. Go underneath.
Throw it in. You gotta start throwing it in. Do that. Low.
Oh, shit. Hey! That's the button. Hey! Hey! Oh, yeah. Go on, run with it, fellas.
Low. He's hurt. Low.
Oh.
You got it. Low.
Take that to the gas. Low and high.
Chin to chin, you have to check that.
60 seconds.
No knees in the head.
60 seconds, man.
Quick, bro. He's slowing down. He's not throwing anything.
3.
Nice body.
Low. You moving into it. Nice.
And you know that, I mean,
Low.
30 seconds. 30 seconds, man.
Yes, one more.
you know, even with any almost rare to be part of that one that's making jab kick.
Go.
Hey! Uh-oh, there you go.
Keep going.
There you go.
Ah,
Oh, shit.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
First round, man.
No, I'm stopping it. I'm stopping it.
Wood factory.
The blood.
Planks like this of wood.
It's leaking too much. That's fight.
I'm sorry. Are you okay? No, you're good. You're good. All right, bro. Good shit, man. You hit like a truck. You hit me hard as fuck, yeah, I thought that shit was crazy. Yo, shout out to nobody. I did this alone. I came here alone. Hour and a half drive, bro. I didn't have any service. I just guessed, bro. Make your dreams come true.
Today we are hosting a fatal 4-way boxing match.
Yeah!
Fight name Tuffin. 5'9".
5'9", 210 now. Fighting out of Baltimore, Maryland.
Hey y'all, make sure you check out Hive Mind. It's an awesome supplement company that we are now partnered with. Best supplements on earth for athletes and anybody who just wants to be better. Hey, Streetbeefs family, don't forget we are now partnered with FanUp, the best fantasy sports app on earth. This isn't a sponsorship, this is a partnership. We're gonna change the game. Starting next event, you'll be able to go play fantasy sports involving all your favorite Streetbeefs fighters. We solve it in the yard and we leave it. Agreed?
Any coward can pull a trigger, but it take a real man to look another man in the eyes, punch him right in the face. 5-star wolf pack. Step in the cage and I'm giving out work. Satan's backyard, you ain't trying to get hurt. I'ma bring the pain, you gon' get it to work.